कंप्लेंट्स है
में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
है सर.
When there is an institution, always you will find some problem, and there is always solution for that.
सर स्टूडेंट्स लोग बोल रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं
आप बताइए क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
जब क्वेश्चन जब बनाते हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर देते हैं तब भी गड़बड़ी होती है.
ये कौन बोलता है? स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं ना.
स्टूडेंट कंप्लेन करते हैं.
When I was student, I also used to say like this. ठीक है. स्टूडेंट को ये हमेशा ही रहेगा ना, because he is to appear for the exam. He will find some or the other excuse. The paper is defective, this is difficult, this is out of course, this is something. This is but natural in the young age that they will find what it is. Otherwise, it is not the case like this. No problem. And I am really happy. During last 4 years, this university has developed like anything. Develop means not the building. Academically, I am talking. Right? And 4 years back when I came over here, there was no professor in it. Today we have 12 professors. There was no affiliated college at that time. Earlier there were 38 which were gone back to Guwahati University. All have come back. Not only come back, now we have 55 affiliated colleges to this university. Our faculty has done a miracle job over here. Research work is going at least 10 times more than the earlier period. University has to be assessed from the point of view of how much research work has been done, how much academic work has been done by the teachers, because that is what pays to the student ultimately. I am happy now this university has come up during last 4 years magnificently, and the coming 4 years will be very precious, and we have emphasized that let this university be pioneer in implementation of our national education policy, because every university, the government has decided for the coming year NEP will be implemented, right? But all the points of the NEP cannot be implemented simultaneously in all the universities at a time. Which university takes lead in what points, it differs. They have come up with very good suggestions. Already their implementation stage per they are, right? And I am hopeful in the next 4 or 5 years, this university will be compared with any good university in the state.